So you recently started using After Effects and you found it very difficult to use it. Worry not, because I'm gonna help you through every single step. Stay tuned, let's begin. So upon opening After Effects, this is the screen that you get. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on New Project. After clicking on New Project, this is the screen that now we will be given. You click on New Composition. The resolution I normally use 1920 by 1080. You can use whatever resolution is suitable for your monitor, otherwise you can use 1920 by 1080. The frame rate, I would recommend 30 frames, and then after you select all of that, you click on OK. We have now a black screen because we did not insert yet any clips onto our project. This is where every clip is gonna stay at. So let's drag a clip and let me show you guys what it's gonna look like. First you go select your clip and you drag it in. After you drag it in, you can then proceed onto importing the clips onto the timeline. This is the timeline in which your clips will stay at. So wherever you proceed through the timeline, the video is gonna be rendered on this main screen. In this case, this is your composition. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the basics of After Effects. This is to remove sound, and you can add it or remove it. This is to remove visibility and add visibility. So let's say you click on spacebar. Spacebar is to show the clip onto the screen. And now you click spacebar again in order to pause the video. Let's say you want to split the video, or you want to drag your video. In order to split, what you can do is come on here, edit, and then you click on split layer. Now you have split your clip into two. But one thing you can also do, let me show you. You can click on Control Shift Delete, and then you split your video. And let's say you want now to duplicate your video. You can click on Control D. Control D is to duplicate your video. You can do as many times as you want. So yeah, let's say you want to shorten your video also. Instead of clicking Control Shift D, you can play around with this thing and you will reduce the length or increase the length of your video. The timeline shows how long the video will be rendered for. In this case, it's showing 4 minutes and 30. In order to decrease that time, you can come here and you know where it shows work area end. You can drag this and until here. Let's say I want to end my clip at 1 minute. You come until here. It's gonna end my clip at 1 minute. So, and then you can also increase this again. So yeah guys, that was really it. Thanks for watching. Don't comment on my wallpaper. And if you guys want to see more videos, comment down below. Comment down below also what didn't you understand or what you want to see more in my channel. But I will do more parts regarding After Effects. I just didn't want to make the video long. And if you guys also have any trouble, you can DM me on my IG, will be on the description. But yeah, that's really it guys. Peace.